Hey everyone, welcome back. I wasn't planning on doing this today. I will be doing the other one tomorrow, but we got two of our ThredUp boxes in and I can't help myself. I have to unbox it. So I didn't want to wait till tomorrow because I have the other one to do tomorrow and I've got a lot of listing to do tomorrow. So we're going to do it now. And to be honest, I didn't want to wait till tomorrow. So yay! I'm going to open this really quick. I hope y'all enjoyed the Jomar unboxing. I've already gotten several of those items listed today. So excited. I got a couple of those items listed today. I've also been working on our thrift haul as well. So, as y'all know, you get the slip that says you purchased, and this was $80. For this box. This is the shoe box. You guys, I'm excited to see what we have. So this was $80, and then they probably had shipping on it too. So it usually averages out to be about $5.33 for the shoes. So as you always know, now this one, oh, I know you guys like to know, I didn't do it in the last video. This one came from Georgia. So let's dive in, which means that the one we're doing tomorrow is going to be one of the men's clothes. Very, very exciting. Oop. Sorry about that, y'all. Okay, so as you know, they always do this with that. And I'm just going to go ahead and, you know what, I'm just going to leave it on the chair. We did that with the last box, and that actually worked out really well. I've just got a chair here. And that way I can just lean over and pick them up and just do it that way. I'm standing because it's a little bit easier right now to stand. We just have so much going on in our studio right now. It's actually just kind of hard to sit and do things. Okay, so let's see what we got. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am so excited. I have to do these. I just have to. I got more Tory Burch. Yay! And these look to be in, they have some wear, but they look to be in great condition. We got some Tory Burch. I am so excited. The last pair of Tory Burch, if you guys watched the video and the what sold, I listed them and within an hour I got an offer and they sold. It was just amazing. These have a little bit of wear, but they're still in good condition. So, yay, Tory Burch. So that's like a perfect way to open this box, right? I'm gonna lower you guys just a smidgen here. There we go. All right, let's keep moving along. These are interesting. Haan. I was just hearing somebody on a video the other day talk about Haan. And you guys, these are actually really cool. Look at these. Now, they do have some scuffing, so we will obviously note that. But other than that, these are actually just really cool looking shoes. I'm excited to see what these might go for. They do have some scuffing here and some scuffing there, so we will definitely note that. And there's definitely wear on these, but they're still actually in really good condition. They kind of have this, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it's the sparkly look on the black part. It's just really kind of cool. So I'm excited to see what those do. Okay, moving on. We have Adidas, and they are women's. Oh, you guys, I didn't even do sizing for you all. I'm just so excited. I'm not even doing sizing, so you guys know what we got. I apologize. Okay, so the Tory Burch, I am not seeing a size for the Tory Burch. I don't see a size anywhere, so I can't tell you what Tory Burch size is. I'm not even seeing it like listed inside anywhere. And it's not on the bottom. So I will have to look at that further. But these Haans are a size, let me look at the tongue. Made in India. Ooh, a size 11. So that's a good size. So yay, yay, yay. Okay, and then these, the Adidas, are a size. They don't have it on the tongue either. What's with the, oh, it's on the inside. Still learning about these things. Okay, so these are a size, gosh, it's almost hard to, these are actually still in pretty good condition. A size 5. So they do, again, like I said, have some wear. I will be washing these just to clean them up a bit, but they're actually in really good condition. Really good condition. The toes look good. The soles look good. There's no splitting. So I'm excited to see maybe $20, $25. I'm not sure. We'll just keep going. And then we got some more All-Stars. These are slip-ons, Converse. These are a size. I am having a hard time finding. Oh, here it is. It's always in a different location. Okay, these are a size 8, and they are white. They've got kind of like this, it's the waffle knit. So these are actually kind of cool. And they actually look to be in pretty good condition. They were worn a little bit, but the soles look good. There is a little bit of scuffing up here, so we'll clean those up. And I would imagine I should be able to get $25, $30 for those. Okay, so we got some platforms here. Calvin Klein. Size, I think it's an 8.5. 8.5 stilettos. Again, it's got the platform. And they're open toe, perfect for the seasons coming up. The backs look good. These actually look pretty good. They do have a little bit of wear. I don't know if these are real leather. It doesn't say. But they look pretty good. So we will list those. I'm trying to find matchings here. Okay, so these are Soft, is the brand. These are they attach the slip resistant. Trying to find a size for you. Here we go. Size is a 9.5, which is good. There's a lot of ladies who wear 9.5. I don't know if these are real leather or patent. It is man-made materials, upper lining. I'll have to, it's kind of hard to see it. But anyway, so these are some, I don't know if they feel like patent leather to me. So anyway, we got those. Okay, let's see what else we've got here, you guys. Perfect, we got some Lucky brand sandals that do have some wear. They are a size 6. They're strappy sandal with a block heel. A little bit of a metallic look there. And they do have some wear, but they're actually with some minor wear, they're actually in pretty good condition. So I'm not sure what Lucky brand goes for, but those will compliment, see what they do. Oh my gosh, you guys, I got, this is a great box. We got Coach. They do have some wear, but we got some Coach sandals. I can't wait to see what these run for. Now see on the toes, they do have some wear. They have the cork heel. Other than the little bit of wear on the toes, these are actually in really, there is some wear on the cork, like if you look back here. So we'll note that. But, and these are a size, let me see. Oh, it's hard to read it. It's kind of a gray on silver, which makes it hard to read it. I don't know why they do that. They need to make it more legible for people. Oh, this is just really hard. I'll have to have my husband help me read that. It's just really hard. But anyway, so we got some Coach. Tory Burch and Coach. Yay! Guys, this is a great box. We got some more boots. Okay, these are Sporto, which I've never heard of. And they actually look to be in really good condition. They do have some wear on the heel. They're, the lining actually looks really good. These are cute, you guys, with a little band. It's got a buckle on this side. They're black, suede, with the fuzzy inside. These are cute, but I'm having a hard time seeing a size. And oh, maybe got something here. Nope, that's just the lining. I'm trying to see if I can find a size for y'all. If not, we'll just have to move on, and I can't find a size. So again, Sporto boots. So we'll have to just check on the sizing on those. And then next we have Toms. These do have some wear, but it's like the back, it's a fabric on the cork back. And you see some wear back here. And they're kind of an off pearl color. These are a size 8, but they're actually still in pretty good condition. And the soles actually look really good. So these again are perfect for this time of year, y'all. I'm excited to check comps on those. And we've got, let's go ahead and do these. We've got some more boots. These are Teva. I've never heard of that brand either, so I'm excited to look into those. These actually look really cute. They have a Teva thing here on the thing there. These are a size. They're actually, inside they're a little bit warm, but not bad at all. I think these are a 9.5. So, good size. And we'll just kind of clean these up a little bit. It's got the black sole. The sole actually looks really good. So, a little bit of wear, but not bad at all. I'm not sure what these will comp at. I'm kind of excited to see what those comp at. Okay, let's move on to Gemmy. These definitely have some wear. They're a size 38.5. These are made in Italy. They're a suede pink sandal with block heel. Really cute. They definitely have some wear, but the shoe itself actually looks pretty good. The back has a tiny bit of wear from, like, you know, back here, but honestly the rest of it actually looks pretty good. So it does have like a tiny spot there, a little bit more wear there. So I'll have to look into those. I honestly don't know what those might go for. Okay, moving on. Okay, we have some funky strappy sandals here. These are, oh, Free People. I don't know how well Free People shoes do, so we will see. These definitely have some wear. These are a size 38, made in India. These really kind of have some wear. They must have worn these like maybe on the beach or something. These definitely have some wear to them. I don't know if I could resell these, but they just have like these, they're all tangled up. They have like these long straps that go up the leg. So I'll have to look into these and see exactly what they are and see if I can even, if they're even worth listing. I'm not sure. So there's those. Okay, we have a few pairs left, y'all. Okay, so these are Sasha London. I, again, have never heard of this. Sasha London. And they're a suede. And they do have some wear on the back here. They have a lace-up shoe point. These are actually really, could have been really cute. So again, I've never heard of these before. They're a size 9.5. They both have some wear on the back. We might be able to clean that up a little bit. But they're just a really cute suede heel with just a tiny little heel on them. So we will obviously comp those and see what we have. Okay, here's the second to the last. Another pair of Calvin Klein. And these are very interesting. They have a Calvin Klein thing there. I'm looking for, I'm not seeing a size. Oh, maybe there's, nope. I don't know why they can't just put the sizing in the same location on shoes. Okay, but anyway, they're like a brown suede, but they have this snake print on the back. And it does have the Calvin Klein thing there. They definitely have some wear, but they look like they're still in fairly good condition considering. I just have no idea what the sizing is, so I will have to look into that further. But yeah, there's those. And then the last one is interesting. Some more platform shoes that have, I don't know if I can list these because they have a gash. These have a gash in the side. Let me see what brand this is. It is, oh my gosh, I don't even know what that is. Hold on here. Let me show you the shoe, but I hesitate whether or not I can list these because you'll see right away on this side, it's got a pretty big flaw there. So maybe I'll just note it and somebody just wants to buy them anyway at a discounted price. They're a canvas texture with the tie-up, lace-up, and Elizabeth and maybe and June, Elizabeth and June, they definitely have some wear on the soles, but outside of that gash on that one side, these are a 7, by the way. They are actually in pretty good condition. So you know what? I may just simply note that because they're actually a really cute shoe, and this is great for summertime. These could go with so many different outfits. I will probably just note that in the listing and just go with it. So let's double check to make sure that we got 15 pairs of shoes. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Ooh, I got 16 pairs of shoes, which is nice because I don't know that I can list those strappy sandals around the legs. So 16 pairs of shoes, which is awesome. We got Coach and Tory Burch, and we got a couple other great brands that I'm excited to see what they do. Some great quality shoes. I'm happy with this. I'm excited to dive into them further. And you guys, I love these ThredUp boxes. You know, I didn't think I introduced myself at the beginning. I'm Sandra. I'm a reseller, and you guys, if you have been watching these videos, I thank you so much for your support. If you're new here, I'm so glad that you joined us today. I have some time, so I may go ahead and do another unboxing on the one that's here in case the other one comes in tomorrow, because we are just so busy with family stuff and the reselling things. We're just busy. So I may go ahead and just do it in another unboxing. It's going to be a different video. I have another video from the Jomar box I'm going to be posting hopefully today. So we got a few videos coming out over the next few days, plus the What Sold video will probably be out on Tuesday. We have had some great sales, some more eBay sales. Guys, things are great. We're so excited and so thankful that you are joining us on this journey. And hopefully these videos are a benefit and a help to you. Comment down below what you like about this box, what shoes you like the most. We did get Tory Burch and we did get Coach. We also got some other really cute other shoes too, so I'm happy about this box. And tell me what you think, what you like the best. And also, if you have any comments or feedback on any of the shoes, I'd love to learn from all y'all. So guys, until next time, have a great night. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.